Hello everyone, this is Neil from Evangelio, China. As you can see, we are now at Shanghai Sanhe warehouse. Today I'd like to show you an aerial beast, the DINGLI BT20CRT2 Telescopic boom lift. Okay, let's go. This is a high-performance aerial working machine widely used in construction, building maintenance, and outdoor projects. It has a maximum working height of 20 meters and with maximum outreach reaches 13 meters. And look at the platform. The platform can safely carry up to 320 kilograms, enough for 2 workers and working tools. Equipped with 4-wheel drive and 4-wheel steering, it runs steadily on rough and uneven ground. It owns strong climbing ability and flexible turning performance. The BT20CRT2 is powered by a robust Kubota engine, which provides strong power output for all-day heavy work. It also features 360-degree continuous rotation, which helps workers reach different working positions easily. Multiple safety designs are also equipped, including chute protection, emergency stop system, and safety sensors. All in all, DINGLI BT20CRT2 is stable, safe, and efficient. It is your trustworthy partner for high-altitude working tasks. If you get any interest on this machine or want to know more details about this machine, just feel free to contact with me. Thank you. Bye-bye.